Hello, second graders and parents. This is a video of how to make a recording of take a photo of some assignment that we may do, or you might write on paper and then I'll have a file upload submission. So this will hopefully help you out with how we do this. It's a reference video and a how-to video. So we'll go ahead and get started. So I have a iPad here and we're going to go back and we'll go to the home page here. So right now I'm on the home page on the iPad, and to get to where we need to go, we will always go to Learn right here, and Learn will take us to our modules, and our modules right here, this was week 1, and now I have week 2 here at the top of our page. I'll always try and put it at the top. Layouts may change on this. As they do, I will update you, send you an email and a video, but I'm going to try and keep the week that is current at the top, and then everything else will be down below it. We're also going to have an introduction into having some stuff come in that will change all of this, because you're going to have subject specific courses you're going to have to go to, but for right now it's all right here. So this is a test file for upload of photo, and so what will happen is you will have right here, there's a video and there's going to be a practice one. This is basically what the practice one's going to look like. They'll draw a pumpkin, and after they draw their pumpkin, so they will draw on their pumpkin like Mr. Stanish did right here. His is not a great pumpkin, but did draw it. And so you will draw the pumpkin. When you're ready to submit it, you're going to hit the submit assignment. Theirs will say submit. I had to do a practice one, that's why it says resubmit. So you hit the submit assignment. Then it's going to give you 2 choices, either a file upload or a studio. So you want to choose file upload, and then it's going to bring our little panda bear with some drawers, and you will go into what says camera. All you're going to do is hit camera, and then it's going to load up the camera on the iPad. So what you'll do is you'll put your picture down. I don't know if I can get this. You'll get your picture down where you want it. It's not going to work perfectly because I can't get the iPad to do both here with this. So once you get your picture lined up, you'll take a picture of it. Then you'll notice that it's going to have 2 things. You'll have an option to retake the photo, or you'll have an option to use the photo. As long as you get a photo that's somewhat clear and legible, I would go ahead and use it. Don't worry about a perfect picture. We will work on that as time goes on here. So once you do, you hit use photo, and it will come up with this box. Now this box just will have the name of your photo right there, and all you do is hit submit. Once you hit submit, boom, successful. It'll throw confetti in the air, and that's all it is. Pretty simple, pretty basic. So again, you're hitting the submit assignment, you take a picture, you hit the submit it, and you submit it again, and boom, when the confetti goes up and it says successfully submitted, you're done. So that's about as easy as it gets. So if we do have assignments where there might be a worksheet or something, or if I'm just going to have them write it down and they submit their writing from their paper, I may also have you guys submit some of their stuff they've been doing at home. So this is how you will do it. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope this helps.